Hey guys, let me guess. You open YouTube to learn Python, watching 2-3 videos, and now now you are more confused than before. Like, what is Python? Where to start? What to learn first? Don't worry, I will be in there too. So in this video, I will give you a complete Python roadmap in the simplest way possible. No confusion, no boring theory. So first question, what even is Python? Think of a Python as a language, not a snake, but a language that lets you talk to computers. And the crazy part, it's used everywhere. Website, AI apps, automations, and the best part, it's a beginner friendly language. Like really beginner friendly. So yes, now don't overthink, just start, install Python, open VS Code and write your first line of code. Yes, it might be feel worried at first, but trust me, everyone start like this. Focus on variable data type, input, output. This is like real learning ABCD before writing sentence. Now imagine your code is making decision like if it's raining, taking an umbrella, else go out. That's exactly what if else does. And loops, they repeat things like your favorite song on loop. Now comes something powerful, data structure. Think of it like organizing your stuff. Lit like a shopping list, dictionary like a contact in your phone. Once you get it, coding become way easier. Now let's work smarter. Instead of writing the same code again and again, you create a function. It's like saving a shortcut. One click work done. Now your code starts working with real data, reading files, saving files. This is where things start real feelings. Yeah, फिर this is where things start feeling real. Now you are no longer a beginner. You will learn ops, expect handling, list comprehension. This is where you start thinking like a real developer. Now comes the fun part, choosing your path. Do you want to build website or work with AI or automate tasks? Pick one, don't try everything at once. Now listen carefully. Sorry, if you don't build projects, you are not learning, you just watching. Start small, calculator to do app, then level up. Practice daily, even 30-60 minutes. Coding is like a muscles. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Now show your work to the world. Upload project on GitHub. Build your portfolio. This is how to get opportunities. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start, but you need to start to become perfect. So start today, and if you are starting your Python journey, comment Python below. I would love to see it. And thanks for the watching.